Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to do Virginia background checks. To get started, go to virginiapublicrecords.org. I will also leave a link in the description. You can click on that. On the home page you will notice a database of Virginia public records available, and it just depends on what your background check is all about. Maybe you just want to look up say a contractor, see if everything is legit. Maybe a babysitter, whatever it may be. There are many reasons to do background checks. So we have various databases here available in the state of Virginia that can be accessed if you really need to look somebody up a little bit deeper than just say like a criminal check. So we also have pages that are specific to the most sought after record types. So background checks has one, criminal records. If you go over other records, if you hover over that, anything from court records to property information, inmate searches. So a lot of these different pages can be used to check somebody's background. It just depends what the aim of your background check is. So I'll go ahead and show you how these more detailed pages work. What you'll notice is you have your information at the state level. These would be like statewide databases. So anything from court records to the sex offender registry, to the Freedom of Information Act information, to a criminal records check, to a prison offender lookup. There are various databases that can be used. Also, you have at the county level certain databases that can be accessed. Information does originate at the county level, so that's where it's going to be the freshest, and it's going to be the most accurate, the most up-to-date. So if somebody gets, say, arrested, that information is first going to be at the local sheriff's office, and then it gets moved up the ladder. So just keep that in mind. But you do have your state resources here, some of your county resources, and then various other categories of records. So anything, if you want to look specifically into criminal records, or maybe you want to specifically look into someone's jail or prison records or court records, maybe you want to find some financial information using court records, you have multiple options to do that. So another option you have available to you is to use the name search on top. Now this is both a public and a private database. So, and it doesn't just look at records at the county level or in the state of Virginia. It goes outside the state. So it pulls records from all sorts of states, all sorts of databases. Like I said, both public and private databases. By private, I mean it could be maybe cell phone information, things like that, previous addresses. So it kind of goes beyond like your typical search at the state level. So you have that as an option also. And I guess just come on down to virginiapublicrecords.org, and I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser and get started on your Virginia public records check. Thank you.